Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza crust at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, warm water, active dry yeast, a pinch of salt, and a drizzle of olive oil. Having everything ready ensures a smooth process. Make sure your yeast is fresh. This is key for a light, airy crust. Accurate measurements are also important for the perfect dough consistency. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients. Then, gradually add the warm water and olive oil, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Next, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth, elastic, and springs back when gently poked. After kneading, it's time for the dough to rest and rise. Place it in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it sit in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes, or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Now, you can stretch or roll it out to your desired thickness and shape, ready for your favorite toppings. Finally, let's bake that delicious crust. Preheat your oven to a high temperature, around 450 degrees Fahrenheit, with a pizza stone or baking steel if you have one. Carefully transfer your shaped dough to the hot surface and bake for 8 to 12 minutes, or until it's lightly golden. Then, add your favorite sauce, cheese, and toppings, and return it to the oven until everything is bubbly and cooked through. Enjoy your homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.